Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 8th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9559. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Well. Could be a hard one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. All right, so in a column or in a row, 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then between the O's comes an 1. Well. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. The ones here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. We solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.